MuleSoft instance. However, I can provide you with some methods to identify it yourself. 1. Checking the Anypoint platform, if applicable. If you're using MuleSoft Anypoint platform, you can usually check the environment within the platform itself. Here's a general guideline. Specific steps might vary slightly. Log in to Anypoint platform. Look for a section indicating your environment type. This could be labeled as environments, deployment environments, or similar. You might see options like cloudhub, on-premise, or potentially a custom environment name. 2. Examining server information. If you're not using Anypoint platform or have direct access to the Mule server, you can look for clues within the server configuration or logs. CloudHub. If you're on CloudHub, you likely won't have direct server access. However, documentation or resources associated with your CloudHub deployment might indicate the environment type. On-premise. If you have an on-premise Mule runtime, you can potentially examine server startup logs or configuration files for mentions of Mule or Anypoint runtime. 3. MuleSoft properties. Some MuleSoft properties might reveal environment details. Here's how to check, though success depends on your specific setup. Access the Mule application's code or configuration files. Look for properties like link to mule.env.name or similar. The value might indicate the environment, e.g., dev, prod, or cloudhub. 4. Consulting with administrators. If the above methods are inconclusive, it's best to consult with your MuleSoft administrators or the team responsible for managing your Mule environment. They'll have the most accurate information about your specific deployment type. In summary, while I can't directly tell you your environment, these methods should help you identify whether you are using MuleSoft CloudHub, an on-premise runtime, or another environment.